Hi there, Scorpios. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, a little different from usual, like I do the readings. I mean, it's not going to be like my other zodiac readings, it's going to be a little more detailed. So, first, I will be looking at the first half of the month for you. How does it look like? What is the theme? What is the energy? And then the second half, and then we'll separately look at your finances and your relationships. Okay, so let's see, Scorpios, the first 15 days of December. What is the energy like? First 15 days of December. First 15 days of December, what is the energy like? Come to the edge. I think by 9th of December or so, you will be at a point where you might have to take some sort of a decision, and that decision will determine your path or your future ahead. Because what I'm picking up from here is that you've been dancing on something, could be some sort of a action, or maybe just doing the balancing act, if you know what I mean. You've been doing that for a considerable amount of time, but now I think you have reached that particular phase where you are getting there to kind of come to a conclusion. Okay, and that conclusion is important. That conclusion is something that is needed here. Okay, now I'm also picking up somewhere that this decision might be tough for you. This decision might make someone's heart break, and somebody will be happy, someone will be happy, someone will be sad. So difficult, which is why I'm seeing that it's a tough task ahead, at least till 9th of December. But by after the 9th, you will have to come to a conclusion. Okay, because you've been like dealing with it. Now let me see the remaining part of December. How does that look like? The remaining part of December. Oh, you will be pursuing something. What? To fix something. A karmic relationship or something that is unfinished in your life. You will, and it will lead to a lot of chaos in your life. I think you will let go of something, and it's a lesson for you. You will let go of something that you feel is not important, but once you let go of it, you would understand it is important. Okay? And then you would run behind it to fix it. That's what I'm seeing in the remaining part of December. I also feel somewhere that you would want to walk a particular path. Okay, I'm seeing that you would want to walk a particular path, and you might be a little whimsical about it, daydreaming about it. You will get clarity in the remaining part of December. I think there is someone guiding you over here, or it could be your spirit guides, it could be your own intuition, it could be your own, uh, feelings. But yeah, you would want to mend something that you will lose, okay? And that will help. I think in that process of fixing it, you will learn a lesson, is what I'm seeing. That is what I pick from here. Now let's see, how does your career look like. So this is the major theme. You will be working towards something in the remaining part of December. But let's see, how do your finances and your career look like. Your finances and career, how does that look like? Finances and career. Okay, finances look very stable. Yes. Seems like your money situation is going to be very good. You will be quite feeling confident about your career. And I'm seeing that finally you will be sure of what you want to do. And you'll get there. You probably would have been trying to figure out that what are you meant to do, and you're actually getting there, which is a very good thing. I'm seeing you moving in that direction, which is very, very nice. Now, there are certain things I think you will be able to balance yourself as well, like understanding that, okay, I should know what to say and what not to say. So, financially, I see you growing, okay, and it will make you happy in a lot of ways, okay. Now, let me see your relationships in the month of December. Your relationships in the month of December. Patience. The waiting game. I think patience is a major lesson. New beginnings. Suffering in silence. I think the wait will be on, even in the month of December. The wait will be on. What you're seeking is still not here, and I think a spiritual maturity has come in you where you will not risk it. You will not risk it. I think you will learn that art of staying silent and understanding and talking, but you're still waiting for that new beginning. This card is not telling me that the new beginning is happening. It's the waiting game. So the month of December is still about realizing, waiting, and being patient. There are going to be certain things in your mind and in your heart which might make you feel that, whether you will ever get the happiness that you've been seeking. But I think the advice is also here to be patient. But, anyways, I see the waiting game on in your relationships. Whatever you've been waiting for, or even if not, then in general, if you're seeking a relationship, then I don't see too much happening. Okay? Now, let's see what is the advice for you here. Advice for Scorpios. Spirit team wants to say, you hold the power to change the future. Direct the course of your life by taking action. Rewrite the subconscious mind. You are under divine protection. Open up, speak up, show up. There is absolutely no reason to live in the dark or be fearful. We've got your back. Your reality will respond to the change within you. Stay assertive and stay as you are, okay? So if you wanted something, just stay assertive about it. If you kind of waver away, or if you start feeling that no, if you feel underconfident, then there might be a problem. I pretty much see that the need of the hour is to be patient as you can, which is what I'm seeing over here. Okay? All right, Scorpios. So that's what I have for you. I hope this helps. Take care. Bye.